In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 deadliest fishes in the world you should aware of. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Fish or fish-derived products are essential to the nutritional and economic well-being of many people all over the world, regardless of where they live. There are more than 30,000 different species that can be found in the world's oceans and freshwater lakes. There are many diverse fish species whose natural beauty is amplified in commercial fisheries, aquariums, and individuals' personal aquarium collections. Other species, on the other hand, have more sinister and frightening aspects to their personalities. Number 5. Jawfish. In the warmer waters of the oceans of the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific, jawfish can be found in small groups or on their own, and they are small and solitary. They have a total length of roughly 1.9 inches. For its part, the huge jawfish is a member of a species that may grow to reach up to 1 foot 8 inches in length and weigh up to a ton. According to our list of sea creatures, the jawfish may be found in water depths of approximately a few hundred meters, which indicates that they are found in relatively shallow water when compared to the depths of some of the other marine creatures on our list of sea creatures. They are the first to burrow into the sand tail and prefer to remain there for an extended period of time. In the fish world, they're known as mouthbrooders, and they prey on other species of fish. They hatch their eggs in their jaws, where they will be protected from predators until they are ready to lay them. They are then discharged from the fish's mouth approximately 10 days after they have been consumed. Most of what they eat is planktonic trash, but they also eat smaller shrimp and crabs that are small enough to fit in their jaws and stomachs. Jawfish. There are roughly 80 species of jawfish worldwide, each of which is distinguished by its own coloration, shape, and size, and each of which can be found in a variety of locations throughout their range of distribution. Number 4. Blobfish. A lot of attention has recently been focused on the blobfish, thanks to its reputation as the world's most aesthetically displeasing creature. Alternatively, we consider that the title has been unfairly placed upon it, particularly in light of the fact that this list alone has produced other suitable contenders. For some, it may appear to be the polar opposite of ugly, and they may consider it to be cute rather than ugly. In Australia and several of its bordering nations, such as New Zealand and Tasmania, it is most frequently observed, though it can be found in other regions of the world as well, including the United States and Europe. Among other things, because the creature's body is composed of gelatinous substance, it has a distinctive blobby appearance. As a result of its design, it has the ability to survive at extraordinary depths of up to 3,000 feet below the surface of the ocean, a feat that was previously thought impossible. Because of the way their body is structured, they are able to float and grab the food that is thrown their way with relative ease. The majority of the time, crabs and other delectable ingredients are used to prepare this dish. Their existence, according to tradition, is considered to have been spent absolutely still for the majority of the time. In part, this is due to the fact that they are almost completely devoid of muscle tissue. When they are brought out of the water, they are unable to support their own weight and must rely on others to help them. However, despite the fact that they are not known to be preyed upon by many predators, they are frequently caught by mistake in the nets of commercial trawlers. Number 3. Obese dragonfish. Generally speaking, it is categorized as a member of the dragonfish family known as the barbel dragonfish. It is the fact that they have an abnormally long barbel on their head, which is placed beneath their chin, that gives them this appearance that gave them their name. There is a source of illumination provided by this barbel. A result of this has led to the fat dragonfish being labeled as a bioluminescent fish by scientific researchers. This species lives at depths of up to 5,000 feet in deep water and can be found in a variety of habitats. They are the most frequent species found in the seas surrounding Australia, particularly in the Indian, Pacific, and Atlantic Oceans, where they are the most numerous. Furthermore, in addition to the light-producing barbel, they have photophores all over their body in a variety of locations, which allow them to produce even greater amounts of illumination. Their position can be drawn to them by the barbel and other lights, which can attract prey as well as potential lovers. The same cannot be said about the prey, as there is little information available on what they consume. The fact that their razor-sharp teeth indicate that they are carnivorous animals, on the other hand, has led to their classification as such. When the tide is out, their estimated maximum height at high tide is 55 centimeters, and when the tide is in, it is 60 centimeters. Number 2. The deadly anglerfish. Deep-sea anglerfish are perhaps the first thing that comes to mind when we think about marine organisms that live in the ocean's deepest sections. Anglerfish are a bony fish order named for its unique technique of predation, in which the fish's modified spine generates a glowing fleshy mass that attracts other species. Among the many anglerfish species are deep-sea species that live miles below the surface. Examples of deep-sea creatures are humpback anglerfish and triple-wart sea devil. Scientists have so far identified 160 species. Deep-sea anglerfish use their bioluminescent lure to lure and catch food at night. They rarely make it to the surface, making them difficult to study. Scientists have learned a lot about deep-sea anglerfish by studying deceased individuals recovered in trawls. During a 2018 excursion off Portugal's Azores Islands, researchers got the closest to seeing a live deep-sea anglerfish. The video shows a bioluminescent female fanfin angler with whisker-like body characteristics. Even more remarkable, the video captured the deep-sea anglerfish mating ritual. The female anglerfish in the video had a little male anglerfish clinging to her side. Male anglerfish act as parasites during reproduction, latching onto the female's skin and merging with her. The duo will even share a circulatory system. The male easily takes nutrients from the female, while the female receives a continual supply of sperm to fertilize her eggs. Number 1. The Fangtooth fish is like something out of your nightmares. The Fangtooth fish has a terrifying appearance. Despite its intimidating appearance, the Fangtooth is a peaceful aquatic creature. The Fangtooth's lack of vision makes it a modest predator. These terrifying sea creatures, sometimes known as ogre fish, reside as deep as 16,400 feet, or approximately 55 American football fields. Because deep-sea fishes have to conserve energy, they have evolved characteristics that help them conserve energy. But the Fangtooth is known to be a more active deep-sea fish. Its prey, mainly small fish or crustaceans, is sucked into its mouth when it is hungry. In quest of prey, the Fangtooth will migrate to the ocean's surface. When they do hunt, it's usually at night. They are not aggressive and are relatively harmless to people. The Fangtooth's odd-looking chompers clearly earned it its moniker. The Fangtooth has the largest teeth of any fish in the ocean. These fish have evolved particular adaptations to fit their lengthy fangs. When the Fangtooth's jaw is closed, unique pouches on the roof of its mouth keep its sharp teeth from piercing its brain. Adult Fangtooths have 2 rows of teeth instead of 1. The Fangtooth's mating behavior is unknown, but the fish are known to reproduce externally. Fangtooths lay their eggs and sperm in open water, fertilizing them outside of the fish's body. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.